Greetings of the day and welcome to the first episode of podcast by Triumph Through Training. Freedom is a state of mind. This state of mind comes from having choices and taking chances in life. Whenever I deal with young budding professional CAs, engineers, bankers or event managers in our training sessions, I generally begin my session with this story, which not only is relevant for them but is also relevant for people in all walks of life. So here is the story. Once there were two siblings. They were living on 80th floor of a high-rise building. They reached home once to find there was no electricity. Both of them were carrying backpacks on their back. Since there was no electricity, they had to go up by the stairs. With a lot of determination to reach their home, they started off by stairs and in fun and frolic, they climbed up 20 floors. On reaching the 20th floor, the backpack they were carrying, it started seeming heavy. They dumped it, took out essentials from the bag and carried a small pouch of essentials along with themselves. And along with that pouch of essentials, they reached up 20 more floors. That is, they came up to the 40th floor. On reaching the 40th floor, the pouch of essentials seemed heavy now because they were very tired. So they dumped it and now barehanded, empty-handed, they continued their ascent further. With a little bit more effort compared to previous times, they reached up 20 more floors. That is, they were on the 60th floor now, but were tired and exhausted by this Herculean attempt. But since they had covered 3/4 of the distance and only 1/4 was remaining, they both started off again. But this time they were holding on to the railing and were really very exhausted with the effort and finally reached their destination, that is 80th floor. They reached the door of their house and put their hands in the pocket. Hey, no keys. Oh my God, where are the keys? In the bag. And where is the bag? On the 20th floor. But this story has certain aspects which are not self-explanatory. If we convert the floors into years, that is our life. For nearly 20 years, we carry the bag around, that is gain in terms of our knowledge, education, that is degrees, diplomas, certifications and other qualifications. Along with them, we move on till the age of roughly 40 years. Thereafter, nobody asks regarding our qualifications much. Our experience of last 20 years helps us till our retirement, which happens around the age of nearly 60. After 60, we pull ourselves to the door of death, that is at the age of nearly 80 as per the average life expectancy. And there we realize we do not have the key. Oh, what a tragedy. Now a natural question that comes up. What does the key here denote? The usual replies that I get from the training participants are success, happiness, goals, dreams, satisfaction, peace. And this list is endless. Then I tell them, you already have these things in your bag. Make the most out of them, lest you will regret later in your life about not living the life to the fullest like those siblings in the story. Hey, did it occur to you why we talked about siblings and not an individual in the story? Because from the beginning till the end of our life, majority of us have family, friends, relatives, work colleagues, peers, acquaintances who are part of our life. Key to life is taking chances and living up to choices. Let us all bring about a positive change in our lives and the lives of people around us, so that none of us have regrets at the fag end of our life, the point from where we cannot return. क्योंकि जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. This is Rajan Arora from 3T, signing off for now. Live life to the fullest.